Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. This morning was the earnings call for Palantir, and we had a little bit of a miss on the earnings per share right here. So we missed the earnings by 132%. So that's quite big. In terms of revenues, there's a little bit of a surprise. So better revenues than expected, but it's the earnings that tanked the stocks. We closed $1.63 below the close of last Friday. So that's a drop of 14.24%. Closed at 982. Post-market, we are up by 3 cents. So we have a big gap right here. So the stock just tanked because of the earnings. We have a very small body here. We tried to go back up during the day, but then we were just squished down. So sellers were just more powerful. Look at the volume that we have here. We had 124 million shares that were exchanged compared to last Friday, which last Friday we were at 50. Big drop in the stock. In terms of the support, then we still have our support right here. So technically, we are still in our bull trend. It has not changed. One candle does not change a trend. So we need several candles to see if we have a trend change. So right now we cannot say that the trend has changed. We are still in this bullish channel. We have lost stochastic though. So that's not the super good news, but supports and resistance lines are stronger than stochastics. So it's still possible that we bounce on the support and continue a little bit. It's still possible that we do that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this was the first candle of the day. So we tried to go back up first hour, second hour, we tried again. But then it just fell through. So during the third hour, we lost everything we had gained on the second hour. Then we stabilized a little bit and then we became weaker. And we are almost at the same point as we were starting the day. Coming back on the daily chart, so as I mentioned, we have lost stochastic over 60. So of course, this is not a good sign. We would have wished to have a different outcome right here. MACD still crossing over bullish. RSI, we are losing RSI. And DMI is still good. It was not a great day. Myself, I am just out. I took the profit. I took a little bit of profit at least. So that's not too bad. But when I see a stick like this and when I see an hourly chart like this, I just prefer to pocket a little bit of profit and then let the stock stabilize. I'm not telling you need to do the same. You can stay in the stock. It's perfectly fine because we are still on the daily chart in a bullish trend so far. In myself, I trade things a little bit closer, oftentimes on the 1 hour chart. Because of that, I'm just out of it. But I still believe in the company and everything. That's not a judgment on the company. This is just a technical trade. And when I see that stochastic is going to come back up a little bit over 60, that's one of the signs that I'm looking at. If we are breaking a resistance also, this is a second sign. I will think about coming back into this stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.